Welcome back to the channel. Today, we conclude our exploration of the first chapter of Genesis, focusing on verses 20 through 31. This section describes God's creation of life in the sea and air, land animals, and finally, humanity. The pinnacle of his earthly creation. We'll be using the New King James Version, and as always, providing detailed analysis for each verse. Let's read verses 20 to 23. Then God said, "Let the waters abound with an abundance of living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the face of the firmament of the heavens." So God created great sea creatures and every living thing that moves, with which the waters abounded according to their kind, and every winged bird according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let birds multiply on the earth." So the evening and the morning were the fifth day. Here God commands the waters to teem with life, and the skies to be filled with birds. The phrase, "according to their kind," is repeated, reinforcing the idea of distinct species created by God. Notice the blessing God bestows. Be fruitful and multiply. This is the first blessing given to living creatures, emphasizing God's intention for life to flourish. And in verses 24 to 25, it says, "Then God said, let the earth bring forth the living creature according to its kind, cattle and creeping thing and beast of the earth, each according to its kind. And it was so. And God made the beast of the earth according to its kind, cattle according to its kind, and everything that creeps on the earth according to its kind. And God saw that it was good." God then turns his attention to the land, creating a diverse array of animals, livestock, small creatures, and wild beasts. Again, the phrase "according to its kind" is reiterated, solidifying the concept of distinct created orders. God's declaration that it was good confirms the perfection and harmony of his creation. Now, let's read verses 26 to 27. Then God said, "Let us make man in our image according to our likeness. Let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, over the birds of the air, and over the cattle, over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creeps on the earth." So God created man in his own image. In the image of God, he created him. Male and female, he created them. This is the climax of creation. God says, "Let us make man in our image, according to our likeness." The use of "us" suggests the Trinity, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, participating in this unique act. Being created in his own image means that humans, unlike other creatures, possess qualities that reflect God's own nature: intellect, will, emotions, and the capacity for relationship. This bestows immense dignity and value upon human life. God also gives humanity dominion over the rest of creation, meaning responsible stewardship, not exploitation. Importantly, God created them male and female, establishing the foundation for human society and family. If we segue to verses 28 to 30, it says, "Then God blessed them, and God said to them, 'Be fruitful and multiply, fill the earth and subdue it, have dominion over the fish of the sea, over the birds of the air, and over every living thing that moves on the earth.' And God said, 'See, I have given you every herb that yields seed, which is on the face of all the earth, and every tree whose fruit yields seed. To you it shall be for food. Also, to every beast of the earth, to every bird of the air, and to everything that creeps on the earth in which there is life, I have given every green herb for food. And it was so. God blesses humanity with the same command given to the animals: be fruitful and multiply. He also expands on their dominion, charging them to fill the earth and subdue it. This doesn't imply domination, but responsible cultivation and management of the earth's resources. God also provides food for both humans and animals, highlighting his provision for all of creation. Jumping into verse 31, it says, "Then God saw everything that he had made, and indeed it was very good. So the evening and the morning were the sixth day." God surveys his completed work and declares it very good. This is more than just good. It signifies the perfect completion and harmony of creation. Everything is in its proper place, functioning according to God's design. The sixth day concludes the creation week, establishing the pattern of work and rest. Genesis chapter 1, verses 20 to 31, reveals the incredible diversity and order of God's creation, culminating in the unique creation of humanity in his image. This passage reminds us of our responsibility to be good stewards of the earth and to recognize the inherent value of all life. Thank you for joining me on this study of Genesis chapter 1. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Leave your comments and questions below. God bless you.